Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make some fried rice on the blackstone. Gonna crack these eggs in here, scramble them up. I've got oyster sauce, soy sauce, water, olive oil, salt, pepper, and the little caddy over here. I cooked about 8 cups of rice yesterday. It's probably 7 cups now. And I've got a pack of frozen broccoli that's been in the back of the freezer for a minute, and I will eat that. I don't have carrots. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 eggs here. I'm gonna do 9. It's just more protein. No big deal. We do a pretty simple fried rice, but it turns out incredible. Fried on the blackstone. This broccoli, try to get some of this ice off of it. No big deal. I'll eat it just fine. I love broccoli. It's my favorite. It's pretty good so far. I can take off more in a minute and we'll take all this out. All right, y'all. We start off by throwing our vegetables on. This is the first time we're making broccoli. My husband will just spray some water on there, move it around a little bit, and those peas were flying everywhere. We love salt and pepper on basically everything, a ton of pepper. He throws a little bit of garlic on there. I didn't need too much. The vegetables were basically for me. Every so often, just add a little more water or oil, whatever you may need. We got this blackstone as a gift and we love it. We love cooking pizza on it and we love cooking outside, y'all. It's starting to get very nice out and we're loving it. He's starting the spot for the rice. He throws a little salt, pepper, and garlic down. This is a tedious process of him chopping up the cold day-old rice, but it's pretty satisfying. It's beautiful and I love cooking outside together. We have fun and we just chit chat and talk about what we may. Go down with a little olive oil, sesame oil. He loves the sesame oil. It's not my favorite. It's very strong. Some salt, pepper, pour on that soy sauce, y'all. The low sodium soy sauce is not great. And add a ton more garlic. Right there, those cubes are pureed onion. I keep the onion puree in the freezer. This sunset, absolutely beautiful. What a gorgeous night. We had a wonderful time cooking together out there. It is so beautiful. Those floral trees are blooming and it's just gorgeous. Give the broccoli a little flip once it starts getting a little fragrant. It got a little toasted at the end, but I don't mind. That's a little bit of oyster sauce. It's so delicious. More soy. Just give it a little flip and stir. A little char on the broccoli doesn't mind me none. It's still delicious. But it was doing great. But he started cleaning up a little bit and then no big deal, y'all. I'm not tripping. Gotta add more salt and pepper, y'all. We love Chinese food and let me tell y'all, we have been craving it for a minute. I had to refill the pepper. We ran out, which is awesome. Very simple, delicious meal. We had a fabulous time cooking together. It's fun cooking outside because that grease mess stays outside. Sunset's still getting more beautiful, y'all. While I was checking out the sunset, the eggs went rolling everywhere. It's a little unlevel where we are at the moment. We're tiny living, y'all. We live in our RV and we love it. We traveled, had some salt and pepper to those eggs, mix them up, scrape them up, and we will add them and combine them to the fried rice. Turns out absolutely delicious, y'all. Chinese food is quite expensive and half the time it doesn't even taste good. Depending where you live, you may not have access to much and food out just might not be good where you are. I know that we struggle to find good food out, and we'd rather just learn to make it at home. You can try to
This looks good
make
though.
your
Nothing's
favorite
burnt.
foods at home, y'all. If it turns out bad, try it again, y'all. Try a different recipe, try a different process. See if you need to turn your heat down or change your device, whatever. It's absolutely delicious. He's just stirring these scrambled eggs into the rice. It doesn't even look like that much eggs because there's so much rice. But it's absolutely delicious. Like I said, it turned out absolutely incredible. We like this recipe. Very simple. Rice for days, y'all. So much rice. I'm in the back there cleaning up, taking that soy sauce, and it's done. Very delicious. And like I said, he got busy cleaning up and taking care of our blackstone, which is amazing. I love when he cooks on the blackstone outside, and I love cooking out there with him. I went and tried this delicious meal out there with the sunset, and it turns absolutely delicious. We appreciate y'all for joining us and hope you guys have a fabulous day, spending time with those you love, doing the things you love, and eating the things you love. Subscribe for more. Let us know what you think down below, and give this video a like. Peace out, y'all.
Bon appetit.